Hello, I want to show you how to replace the default rider with your own custom character in Horse Configurator. First, make sure that both projects use the same version of Unreal Engine. Open Horse Configurator, or the project where Horse Configurator is already installed. Then open the character project you want to use as the rider. In our case, it is the soldier character, and we will test with it. Migrate the soldier folder into your main project. It is important that your character is rigged and uses a skeleton similar to the Unreal Engine base mannequin. In the main project, find the soldier skeleton that is used by the character Blueprint. Make the retarget section visible, then click Add Skeleton and choose SK Mannequin. Make sure you select it from the correct directory. Now, open the rider blueprint. Select the soldier skeletal mesh and drag and drop it into the skeletal mesh asset field in the rider blueprint. Next, open the soldier blueprint. Select all mesh components, copy them, and paste them into the rider blueprint. Attach them to the main mesh and reset transforms by setting location and rotation to 0. Now open both blueprints. Copy all components from the soldier construction script and paste them into the rider construction script. Connect the construction script node to set leader pose component and create variables for those parts. Do not forget to enable show bones. Now all necessary blueprint components are in place. To properly fit the hands and feet to the horse, you need to copy the required sockets. Open the rider skeleton, find the socket section, and copy all sockets. Paste them into the root of your character's skeleton. Compile everything and save. Now you can ride the horse with your own custom character.